More than 1200 participants across 50 plus cities took part in Whitlock's Young Inventor 2020 organized by IIT Bombay. The Young Brigade proved once again that the Indian startup and innovation landscape is getting into its best phase ever. And I would like to welcome everyone to our Whitlock's Young Inventor TechFest 2020 Grand Finale Day. First of all, best of luck to everyone, and we are really great that we have got so many beautiful projects.
First judge for this competition, Andrew Wall. Then we have Dr. Sujit Bhattacharya, and then we have Mr. Subrato Sen, Mr. Rishabh Sinha.
And let's have the video. I would like to request the judges to ask their questions.
So, Hamira and Fasiha, good style of presentation. What inspired you to take this project up?
Okay, so we have seen in our community that there are lots of diaper waste every day. So we pondered about it and came to a conclusion to use diapers as a fertilizer.
And do we have to sanitize the sensor before putting it in the milk?
So we have to clean all the residue, but all the germs start about 85 to 90 degrees when heated up. So milk is already getting heated to 85 to 90. So there is no need of additional sanitizing.
With no fear but confidence, the Young Brigade took the challenge and presented the most innovative ideas of their invention during the grand finale of Whitlock's Young Inventor 2020 competition. The judges had a tough time to figure out the best. And finally, we have a joint winner. We have a great evening and we have a joint winner today. On the Whitlock's Young Inventor TechFest 2020. I would like to thank all the judges, all the participants who came, who spent such a long time with us. We went through all the projects and we have got a joint winner. Thank you so much everyone and have a great night today and see you soon everyone. Mentors is always there and thank you once again for joining.
Thank you. I had a great time. Enjoy everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye everyone. From the entire team of Whitblocks, we congratulate Ronak and the team of Hamira and Fasiha for their invention. Keep inventing till we meet again for yet another season of Whitblocks Young Inventor competition.